This video is going to demonstrate how to work with containers. Our first step would be to make two containers and label them. So what I'm going to do is grab my text tool, create one, it's just called living. The other will just be called non-living. Then I want to go grab my shapes tool, select that, to make sure that my fill is blank. And let's say the first one will be red. Just grab, say, the square tool here. Create a container or a box that's red. Repeat the process with blue. Going to get my select tool, and I'm just going to move these up a little bit to give us room below. At this point, I want to select my first box or container, choose the property browser. I want to scroll down a ways to find where it says container. I want to set this to keywords. Set the container word. The first one I'm going to have here is living. So I'm going to click add and choose living. Click OK, and I've added that. Then I want to scroll down. I'm going to leave this completely contained. No reward sound. Return if not contained. I'm going to choose true. I'm going to repeat the process with my non-living here. Select. Got a container here. Can contain keywords. Contain words. Add non-living. Click OK. Return if not contained true. Now what I have here is my two containers set up with properties applied to each one. My next step will be to pull some images down here to represent living and non-living things. So I'm going to go to my resource browser, and I have one here that I've searched for before, a magnet. Drag here. I'm going to reduce the size quite a bit. Now that this is selected, I can go back to my property browser, but at this point I can go up to the top, change my keywords. I'm going to remove this one, add, click OK. Once I've added my keyword, I need to scroll down back to container and change from false to true. To give you a demonstration, I'm going to drag this to living and it will pop out. And because it's not living, I can drag it here and it will stay within the bounds. This has been containers.